Hello, my dear wisdom follower. I'm not sure whether you want to be rich, but I'm damn sure that you want to be financially free and financially self dependent so that you can stand on your own legs. Legs. Okay, so if you're such a kind of person, I would like to recommend a book, and that is Rich Dad Poor Dad. If you have time, please read it because it will change your perspective about money and about the rich man's mindset. So, two simple rules and two my personal favorite lessons that I learned from that book, I would like to share with you. The first lesson: if you want to be rich, if you want to be financially self dependent and free, you must increase the assets and reduce the liabilities. This is what rich men do. It's a very simple rule: increase the assets and reduce the liabilities. Now, what are assets and liabilities? Assets are something that gives you money, and liabilities are something that takes the money from you. Okay, so there is a simple rule that is there in that book. Rich people have their money work for you, and poor and middle class people work for money. That is a simple rule. So if you want money to work for you, you must increase the assets. Now, what are assets? Assets are something that gives you money. It may be in the form of passive income. Now, what are passive income? Passive income are income that you get even if you're not working for it, you're getting it. For example, if you buy a house, you give it for rent. You're getting the rent each month, right? Are you working for the rent? No, it's a passive income. You're not working for it. But if you go for a job, 9 to 5. If you go for a job from 9 to 5, you're actually working for it and then you're getting the salary. So it's an active income. So a rich people's mindset is that to increase the passive income in the form of assets. Now, what are liabilities? Liabilities are something that takes money from you. For example, if you buy a car, right, you are giving maintenance cost, service charges, you're giving fuel cost, everything is going out from your pocket each month, right? So it's a liability. Now, if you buy a house and if you are living in, you're giving the maintenance cost, the painting cost, different types of cost, workers cost, anything, etc., etc. So all these things are liabilities. Understood? So a rich man's mindset is to increase the assets and reduce the liabilities. Now you may be thinking that does that mean we should have no luxuries? Rich people have a lot of luxury, right? Yes, you're right. Rich people have a lot of luxury, but they start having luxury only when their passive income is high, not their active income. They do not buy luxuries with the active income or the salary that they get. They buy luxuries only with the passive income. That is the rich man's mindset. They get the salary or the income or anything, they start investing it in the assets. They earn passive income from that, they reinvest it, and the remaining they go to buy something. The second rule, and my personal favorite rule, is if you want something, you need to give something first. A simple example that we have in each of our lives is that if we smile at someone, they will smile back, right? If you give money, they will give money back. Not the same person, maybe somebody different. Okay, so if you want something, you must give something. But the important thing that you must understand here is that you must not give something to someone expecting that thing back. Okay, you must give something only for the sake of giving it. The rest, the universe will take care of it. You do not need to put your hand and nose into it. Okay, so these are the two favorite and my personal lessons that I learned from this book. If you have time, please go through this book. You will learn amazing ideas from it. Thank you so much, and be a wisdom follower.